Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover table. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Create or Rename Table. We can create table using Create Table table name, column name, data type, or by inheriting properties of another table using Create Table table name as subquery. We can rename table using Alter Table old table name, rename to new table name. And we can describe table using DESC or describe table name. In the next program, I am going to cover Insert or Update Table. We can insert records into table using Insert into table name, values, or using Insert into table name, column list, values. We can insert multiple records in table using Insert all into table name, values. We can update record in table using Update table name, set column equal to value, optional where condition. In the next program, I am going to cover Merge Table. We can merge records into target table from source table using Merge into target table name, using source table name, on condition, when matched then update or delete, when not matched then insert values. In the next program, I am going to cover Drop Table and Recycle Bin. We can drop table using Drop Table table name. All drop tables end up in Recycle Bin. We can recover drop table from Recycle Bin using Flashback Table table name to before drop. And we can purge Recycle Bin using Purge Recycle Bin. In the next program, I am going to cover Drop Table with Cascade Constraints and Purge Option. If there is primary key, foreign key relationship between tables, we will not be able to drop parent table using Drop Table table name. We need to use Cascade Constraints option to drop parent table. Also, we can purge table from Recycle Bin while dropping table using Purge option. In the next program, I am going to cover Delete or Truncate Table. We can delete table based on condition using Delete Table Name where condition, or we can delete entire table using Delete Table Name, and truncate table using Truncate Table table name. In the next program, I am going to cover Add, Modify, or Drop Column in Table. We can add column in table using Alter Table table name, add column name data type. Also, we can create invisible column in table using invisible command. We can modify column in table using Alter Table table name, modify column name. Also, we can modify visibility of column in table using visible or invisible command. We can drop column from table using Alter Table table name, drop column column name. In the next program, I am going to cover Add, Modify or Drop Constraint in Table. We can add constraint to column while table creation. Constraints available are Not Null Constraint, Default Constraint, Unique Constraint, Check Constraint, Primary Key Constraint, Foreign Key Constraint, which references primary key from parent table. We can add constraint on column using Alter Table table name, add constraint constraint name, constraint. Modify constraint on column using Alter Table table name, modify column name data type constraint. Drop constraint on column using Alter Table table name, drop constraint. In the next program, I am going to cover comment table or column. We can add comment on table using comment on table table name is comment. Add comment on column using comment on column table name dot column name is comment. We can view comment added on table using user tab comments table, and view comment added on column using user call comments table. In the next program, I am going to cover global temporary table. We can create global temporary table using create global temporary table table name, column specification, on commit, delete or preserve rows. We can insert data into global temporary table using insert into table name values. Since I have specified on commit delete, data is deleted from table on commit. If we specify on commit preserve, data will not be deleted on commit. We can drop global temporary table using drop table table name. In the next program, I am going to cover external table. First we need to create directory using create or replace directory name as directory path. We can create external table using create table table name, column specifications. Organization external. Type Oracle loader. Default directory name, where directory created, which contains external file. Access parameters, like records delimited by, fields terminated by, etc. And location. We can query external table, like normal table. And we can drop external table using drop table table name. Drop directory using drop directory name. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.